Ever since civilization began, the human race has had a love affair with, no, not tiny animals, but alcohol.
People love beer. And the Australians are certainly no exception. It's an Antipodean institution. The Aussies drink nearly 2 billion litres of the stuff every year. So it's surprising to learn that the hand of the mighty Australian beer industry was forced by a small insect, the Australian jewel beetle. The male's mission in life is simple: find a female and mate with her. Male jewel beetles are always on the lookout for attractive females, like this fine specimen. But what makes her irresistible? Well, that's not too complicated. She's got to be big, she's got to be orange, and she's got to be covered in dimples. Give a male all three, and she's just gorgeous. It's sex on 6 legs. But what's all this got to do with beer? In Australia, a beer bottle like this is known as a stubby. And believe it or not, it nearly wiped out the jewel beetle. To this questing male, all his sexual fantasies come true when he finds a discarded stubby. It's certainly big, it's the right colour, and it's got dimples. It's everything to whip a male into a frenzy. Such a beauty doesn't, of course, go unnoticed. Before long, it's covered in rampant males, and they're not keen to move elsewhere. Something had to be done. The genuine females were just sitting around unnoticed. Try as they might, they couldn't compete. Mr. Right had taken to the bottle. In the end, it was the beer industry that came to the jewel beetle's aid. Not previously known for its wildlife conservation, it ended up saving a whole species from extinction by simply changing the bottle design. Soon, the female jewel beetles were once again the only object of the male's affections. And they all lived happily ever after.